Hi, welcome back. So let's see how to do the subtraction between two values and also find. So what are the two different ways to find the subtraction? The subtraction means you know negate dividing, not dividing, actually subtracting. So I'll show you how would I explain. Okay, so if you would like to learn more things, so please subscribe my channel, write your skills. Sometimes it do happens in mind. So let's learn subtraction or difference between two values across rows and columns. Okay, anyhow, let's get back to the Excel. Let's see this. Okay, so let me take a, so for example, let me try to increase the font a little. For example, you have a 200 minus 37. Okay, you would like to, from 200 to 37, you would like to deduct direction. Okay, so how do you do that? So generally we go for this equal and go to the, select the row from row where you would like to take, and from your keyboard take the negative sign, okay, minus, and select the which value you would like to deduct it. So you are getting 163. Okay. Suppose you have like something like 300 and 23, 234, 40, 20, and maybe 10 and 8, 7, 8, 90. Like that. So let's see this formula, how it applies. If I paste here, it is thinking that it need to be, suppose if you see this in formula. Okay, the formula G3 minus, this is G3, third row in G3, and G3 minus what? G4. Okay, fourth row you have to deduct it. Okay, this is how you can able to do that. So let's see this. Okay, minus 880. This is how you can able to deduct it. Let me show you another way. Suppose you have a 300, you would like to deduct 50. So take the negative sign with 50. Okay. So second way is equal to, take the sum actually. Basically go. So automatically it will be deducted. Plus minus. Okay. So it will be deducted 250. Okay. You got it. First way is like, you can able to directly deduct like this, or else the value which you would like to deduct it, that you take it and sum it. Okay. So if you deduct, what it will happen? Let's try to do this one also for your understanding. Minus into minus, it will be plus actually. So equal to this minus this. See, minus 350, it will happen if you do that. This here, if you make it sum, okay, need not do it. The formula is here, Control C and Control V. If you copy, it will be applicable. Okay, 250. This is how you can able to do the subtraction. There is no specific formula. By using negative sign, you can able to play with the system. Okay, so it is very useful. I use a lot in my projects. Okay, wherever it is required. So in my presentations also I use it. Whenever I use my Excel, it is so useful for me. Thank you so much. Sum and subtraction are useful. If you like this video, please like it. If you would like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel. Right.